In today's video, I will walk you through how to grab text in any image in Canva. First, click on the image that contains the text you want to grab. Once the image is selected, go to Edit. Inside Magic Studio, scroll to the right until you find the Grab Text option and click on it. This feature is only available for Canva Pro users. If you are using the free plan, you would need to upgrade to Canva Pro to access this feature. After selecting Grab Text, Canva will automatically identify the text inside your image. Once the text is highlighted, click on the text you want to grab. Then click Grab. Canva will now place that text into a separate layer. Once the text is separated from the image, you can move it anywhere on your design by clicking and dragging it. You can also rotate the text by selecting it and adjusting the rotation control. If you want to change the appearance of the text, select the text layer and change the color to anything you want. You can also apply effects to the text by selecting the text layer and opening the effects options. From there, you can customize the look of the text based on the style you want to create. You can also curve the text by selecting the text layer, going into the text effects, and applying the curve option. At this point, the text is completely separate from the original image, so you can continue adjusting it however you want inside your design. That is how to grab text in any image in Canva. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below.